Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cameron Parish in southwestern Louisiana, central Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Lowry, or 11 miles southeast of Lacason National Wildlife Refuge, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moe, Florence Landing, Esther, Gaydon, Wright, Lowry, Kaplan, Fort Island, Klondike, and Abbeville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Louisiana.